Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito recipe. First, gather your fresh ingredients: about 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You'll also need 2 ounces of good quality white rum and some chilled club soda. Having the right tools, like a sturdy muddler and a tall glass, will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get to the fun part. Place your fresh mint leaves and the 2 tablespoons of sugar directly into the bottom of your tall glass. Next, add 4 to 6 lime wedges. Gently muddle these ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds. The goal is to release the oils from the mint and the juice from the lime without tearing the mint leaves too much. With your muddled mint, lime, and sugar ready, it's time to build your mojito. Fill the glass almost to the top with crushed ice. This helps keep your drink perfectly chilled. Next, carefully pour in 2 ounces of white rum over the ice. Finally, top off your glass with chilled club soda, leaving a small space at the rim. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything. Your perfect mojito is almost ready. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your drink with a fresh mint sprig and a lime wheel. Serve it immediately and savor the refreshing taste of your homemade mojito. It's truly a delightful drink for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.